government should come and tell us how come River State became Niger Delta. River State of all people became Niger Delta. How did Igbo became Niger Delta? See, let me tell you people, Nigerian government, we want back our Igbos, we want back our Igbo states and our Igbo local governments, bring them back to the eastern part of Nigeria. You see this thing that you people are doing, it won't last forever. One day you go cast, and you don't cast. I don't declare. Some days ago, my brothers Obiakpo, they were even agitating for the freedom of Nnamdi Kanu. River State Obiakpo men. Do you think they don't know their roots? You people will not deceive anybody forever. Not just for some time when I go deceive, and the time has ended. Right now, all the Igbo speaking areas will come back to southeast. Yes.
Video I'm going to that title me the lost Igbo tribe. Because now abịa ekubi okube ani Igbo anyị kwesịrị ibido ma ị gafecha ore. Ani Igbo anyị kwesịrị ibido ma ị gafecha ore. Ma sị ka ekubi okube. Ina isi Lagos na ana ị gafecha ha na ore. Bebe ani Igbo anyị kwesịrị ibido. Ina from east, ina si ugwu Hausa na ana ị gafe ha na Kafanchan. Badawa ebe ani Igbo anyị kwesịrị ibido. O akwanga sikpoze akwanga igafecha ha na Badawa ebe ani Igbo anyị kwesịrị ibido. Mana ibe ka bịa mee ya iniwo ya bụ ka ile kọọ ya ọnụ nwere sọsọ 5 steeti chi anyị. Ị na-ajụzi ndị ahụ na-aza afọ Igbo ahụ kizi ihe me ha ji azara afọ Igbo still ha ekwetara na ha bụ ndị Igbo. In this very video, go check your idea. Gordon.
How many times will the Benin Prince keep running to be finding who is chasing them in their own kingdom? The Benin Prince run away, find on the child, the Benin Prince run away, find on the child, don't do in Anambra. Every time Benin Prince run, who is chasing them? What is the crime they are committing in the Benin Kingdom that they can't stay in their place to be running away and be finding them? And when you come there, you make an entry bush here to start fighting a war. They will tell you they conquer the place. How do you fight a tree? Because if you make an empty land, you have to start multiplying. Yes. How do you come to Mount Chubo that does not exist, you start fighting a war? Survivor. That means you make people there that you want to kill and dominate. So you see, Asami, but the truth is this. Just like the video you saw this morning, according to that Benin historian, first one, like he called it Biapalo on, he said that Ezechima is a prince in Benin. Okay. And also marry a princess in Benin. Keep two words, two brother and sister. Okay, let's forget about that, because in the ancient time, if you look at it, people they marry their brother to expand their family. No, let's forget about that. When two people start a family and they give birth to one or Adam two, Adam and Eve kind of story.
Okay, you don't forget it for Bible said they say Cain traveled to the east
to see other people not to be killed.
But so he go to the east and married. Okay, leave talk for parrot. Let's be objective.
No, so that's why I say let's push that one aside. But the truth is this. I said in that video, quote me anywhere, as of 10, 11, 12th century, there's no surname. Okay. I want you to quote me anywhere. Surname started existing by the coming of the British, not the coming of the Portuguese. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
There's no surname like I am now called Chukwuemeka Kogolo. Normally my name is Chukwuemeka. There's no Kogolo attached to me. I bear my name. Answer to my name. My father is gone, is gone. People can only identify me by saying Chukwuemeka, son of Kogolo, because if we are two Chukwuemeka in my clan, so that we'll be able to differentiate it. So now, if you now rewind back, how can a Benin man, a female or a hime, now give birth to children, knowing fully there is no surname, and call them Igbo name, Obio, Ekpare, Ezi, Obompa, Onichubo? No, let it make sense to me. As in, these people think that we are in the cock and bull story era. When somebody wake up in the morning and tell that Zeke swallow the key after locking the River Niger. I don't understand how they think that they will just cook up the story and will sink it in because we want to believe that Benin is superior.
Yes.
Do you get what I mean? That is where the problem starts from. Like I always said, I don't have anything against the Benin Empire. whatever it has done in the past. But presently, how do you want to subjugate people with false narrative? Nigeria play ball with India, they win us 100-1. Who watched the match? When was it recorded?
Yes. So that make them ban India from playing football.
As in,
send them play shot, you go see lion.
As in,
if they play shot, you go see spear, they come. If they play shot, you go see fire, they come.
So those lies should be checkmated. Olamba, now they tell us all those things. But we believe it because, like you said, identity crisis, people want to survive. So you want to paint a narrative that will look legit, that you are from Benin. It is just our prince that ran away and find village. How many times will the Benin prince keep running to be finding who is chasing them in their own kingdom? The Benin prince run away, find on the child, the Benin prince run away, find on the child, don't do in Anambra. Every time Benin prince run, who is chasing them? What is the crime they are committing in the Benin Kingdom that they can't stay in that place to be running away and be finding them? And when you come there, you make an entry bush here to start fighting a war. They will tell you they conquer the place. How do you fight a tree? Because if you make an empty land, you have to start multiplying. Yes. How do you come to Mount Chubo that does not exist, you start fighting a war?
Survivor.
That means you make people there that you want to kill and dominate. So you see, logically, you don't even need the pages of book to know what is truth. You just need to be, relax. After they tell you those stories, relax. Put one or two into check. You begin to see that those stories are fallacies. Make believe. You know what I mean? And this is why people like us are saying that this man is an Igbo man. Because as of that time, there's no nomenclature in the language interpretation. Now, English. To learn another person's language is even more difficult, even now. Talk less of them. So how can you now give a bird if you are a team and then suddenly change to Benin? And then you come down to this place, you have food, you totally forget your food, forget your language, forget your culture, including your tribal mark, no be Benin again. Because you know that those days to identify people is by the tribal mark. Including tribal mark are not Benin again.
Your market days.
Your market days are not Benin again. You are juju, you are deities, you are gods, because there's no Christianity as of them. See, so those things does not make sense. And if people like us are not questioning it, next generation will be doomed because they are now watching, playing with AI. AI will feed on the information that people have laid down before. So this is why people I'm telling you the honest truth. Whether you say Luko, whether it's on Chubo, we have nothing to do with Benin. The only thing we have is that we're all blacks. And have blood in our veins. Yes. So these are the pure truth that our people don't want to accept. Exactly. As a Chime must be an Igbo man. For him to have an Igbo culture, language, food, and name. And nobody can change it. I gave the Ikore people 500 years to change their language in Atuijo. As I may well know 50. So there is it.
Okay, thank you very much. In case you're just joining, you've been listening to our brother and our friend, Mr. Kogolo. Your first name don't run come out from my mouth.
Chukwuemeka.
Mr. Kogolo Chukwuemeka, aka
Assistant God.
Deputy Jesus, aka the Pendicular Dissector, aka Professor Black and White. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
We'll go for a short break, and when we come back, we'll open the phone lines. I know definitely you have questions to ask, or you have views that you may want to talk about. But don't forget, the program is Anioma State in the waiting. We'll be right back.